Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and we're back out here in Springfield, Virginia. We just finished up this beautiful patio project about 2 weeks ago, and we came back as a second phase and put in a bunch of river rock all the way around. And they had, some issues back here with the sunlight and then being around the planter boxes here with grass growing. And this is a really nice touch to give it a finished area. This won't wash off like mulch. The river rock will last forever, and it gives it a really nice touch. You can see this color looks great with the flagstone. It really ties in the colors with the chocolate gray wallstone and the flagstone. Very nice. Let's take a closer look. During the first phase, we put a French drain in here, collecting the water down the hill. And then we carried all this river rock down in this area. This was the main part where they had an issue with grass and runoff, was over here. And you can see, the color's just awesome. Looks great with the stone, complements it perfectly. Around back, we did a nice little round area around the tree. And then we did the gravel the whole way along the back for the weep holes for the wall. When the water runs out, won't wash out their mulch. So I really hope you like what you see. Any sort of masonry project, even something like a river rock, we got the manpower to do a big job like this, excavate out the 4 inches of dirt in one day and lay the stone in the same day. We were able to get this completed in one big long hard day. Thanks for watching. Give us a call for your project as well.